Hello students, after discussing Boyle's law and Charles' law, today let me discuss ideal gas equation. Now what is ideal gas equation? It is a mathematical equation which gives us the effect of simultaneous change in temperature and pressure on the volume of a given mass of a gas. We can derive it by combining Boyle's law and Charles' law. According to Boyle's law, V is inversely proportional to P. Let me give it number 1. According to Charles' law, V is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Let me give it number 2. By combining 1 and 2, we got V is proportional to T upon P, or we can say V is equal to K T upon P, where K is constant, or we can say PV upon T is equal to K. Now let P1, V1 and T1 be the initial conditions of a gas and P2, V2 and T2 be the final conditions. So P1, V1 upon T1 is equal to K. Let me take it number 1. P2, V2 and T2 is equal to K. Let me give it number 2. Combine 1 and 2 and we got a gas equation for that gas. P1, V1 upon T1 is equal to P2, V2 upon T2. Before going for the numericals, let me discuss what is standard conditions of temperature and pressure, or in short form we call them STP, standard temperature and pressure, or NTP, both are same, normal temperature and pressure, both are same, STP or NTP. So standard temperature we can take either 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Standard pressure, either take 1 atmosphere or 76 centimeter of mercury or 760 mm of mercury. Standard volume is always 22.4 liter, or you can say 22,400 milliliter. Now let's do the first numerical. So for the first numerical, a fixed mass of gas has a volume of 750 centimeter cube at temperature minus 23 degrees Celsius and 800 mm pressure. Calculate the pressure for which its volume will be 720 centimeter cube and at temperature minus 3 degree Celsius. So remember, again we are going to take absolute temperature. So we have V1 750 centimeter cube and P1 800 mm. Now T1 is minus 23 degrees Celsius. Convert it into Kelvin. This will come as 250 Kelvin. V2 we have 720 centimeter cube. We have to find out P2, and T2 is minus 3 degrees Celsius. That means 270 Kelvin. Gas equation, P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2, or we can say P2 is equal to P1 V1 T2 upon T1 V2. Let me fill the values. 800 into 750 into 270 upon 250 into 720. Now this 250 is going to cut with 750 with 3. Now 3 cut with 720, 72, this will come as 24. And now this 24 will cut as, so 3 9s are 27 and 3 8s are 24. And 8 is going to cut with 800 by 100. Ultimately, the answer comes as 900 mm. 900 mm of mercury. Second numerical. A gas sample occupies 55 ml at 182 degrees Celsius and 3 atmosphere pressure. What will be the volume at STP, standard temperature and pressure? Remember, we are going to take same values that are already given. If the pressure is given in atmosphere, we have to take the second pressure also in atmosphere. If it is given in mm of mercury, we will take mm of mercury second pressure also. So let we have V1 is equal to 55 ml and T1 is equal to 182 degrees Celsius, or you can say 182 plus 273 is equal to 455 Kelvin. We have P1 as 3 atmosphere. We have to find the volume. Find the volume at STP. So T2 is 273 Kelvin standard value and P2 is 1 atmosphere standard value. Let me fill what is the gas equation. P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2, or you can say V2 is equal to P1 V1 T2 upon T1 P2. Fill the values. 55 into 3 into 273 upon 455 into 1. So this will come as 99 ml. This is V2. Let me go for the next numerical. Now next numerical is a gas at 15 degrees Celsius is heated until its pressure doubles and volume triples from the original pressure and volume. Now if the original volume is 1000 cc, calculate the temperature. So V1 is 1000 cc. Volume triples. So V2 is 3000 cc. Now T1 is 15 degrees Celsius, or you can say 15 plus 273 is equal to 288 Kelvin. Calculate the temperature. So T2 we have to find out. The pressure double. So let we take P1 as P, initial pressure. P2 become double, 2P. So we have P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2, or you can say T2 is equal to P2 V2 T1 upon P1 V1. Let me fill the values. 2P into 3000 into 288 upon 1000 into P. This P will cut with this P, 1003. So this will come as 1728 Kelvin. So the answer is here. It's all correct. If you want to change it into centigrade, so 1728 minus 273 is equal to 1455 degree Celsius. So these numericals will help you to understand ideal gas equation, and rest of the numericals we will do it in the class. Thank you.